Hi, today we're with Phil from Instro, and we'll talk about how to monetize IoT technical assistant problem. What problem you're solving?
Well, so we work with manufacturing businesses that quite often have very complex data embedded in detailed technical manuals and user manuals, that they're reliant on experts in their business, chief engineers, senior engineers who have all the knowledge and the experience. They're quite often scarce resources in a business. We're introducing Instro AI as a virtual subject matter expert, consuming all that knowledge and information from those manuals and technical documents, so their staff, their engineers, their service engineers, their technical support staff can get immediate natural language answers to the questions that they would ask that subject matter expert, senior engineer in the business, providing instantaneous responses and saving them a lot of time and really giving those engineers a lot more support when they're with clients, when they're in difficult situations where they can't get the support they would need from their colleagues.
Okay, right. And what's your monetization model for those things?
Well, we like to make sure the technology can make a difference for the business, first of all. We like to understand what their information management challenges are and their data retrieval challenges that they have, work out what the use case would be if we were going to introduce Instro as a technology for them, as a solution for them. We will populate the system with a selection of their content, give them a chance to trial that technology, and then we work with them to review how beneficial it's been, how much time it saves them, how helpful they found in different instances. We look at ways we can improve the quality of the responses, so at the end of a trial of the system, they know that it can deliver benefits for them in their business. If it can, generally they're interested in wanting to adopt the product. We let them adopt it on a monthly subscription basis. If they don't think it's going to be valuable to the business, there's no obligation on them to move beyond the trial. So there's no commitment on their part.
Yeah, so great problem to solve. Yeah, thanks for insight.
Thanks.
And hello from Advanced UK.
All right, really good to meet you.